Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best GoPro filters. Enhance your action shots with premium quality. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Ulanzi GoPro Hero 12-11-10-9 Black Metal Cage Frame Case. Equip your GoPro Hero 12/11/10/9 with Ulanzi's metal cage frame case. This durable accessory includes a 52mm filter adapter, extend cold shoe mount, and mic fill light compatibility, ensuring your camera is protected and ready to capture high-quality content in various shooting conditions. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. TLESIN CPL ND August 16, 32 Filter Set for GoPro Hero. TLESIN's filter set adds creative control to your GoPro Hero 12/11/10/9. With CPL and ND filters, August 16, 32, these accessories provide polarizing effects and adjustable exposure, delivering professional-grade visuals and protecting your lens during intense action. 3. Tenniel Action Camera Filter Set for GoPro Hero. Dive into the world of underwater photography with Tenniel's filter set. Featuring a 24x macro lens, diving red filter, and adapter ring on a waterproof housing, this kit is tailored for GoPro Hero 5/6/7/2018, offering versatility for various shooting scenarios. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. KF Concept Action Camera Filter Set 4 PCS for GoPro Hero. Elevate your action camera footage with KF Concept's 4-piece filter set. Including ND8, ND16, ND32, and CPL filters, this kit minimizes glare, controls exposure, and enhances image quality for vibrant and professional-looking shots with your GoPro Hero September 10, 11. At number 1. Freewell Bright Day 4K Series 4-pack filters for GoPro Hero 12/11/10/9 Black. Enhance your GoPro footage with Freewell's Bright Day filters. This 4-pack includes essential filters for varying lighting conditions, ensuring your Hero 12/11/10/9 captures stunning visuals with optimal clarity and color balance.